The palace assured the Department of Public Works and Highways will implement a holistic approach through a major river basin plan to address flooding in the country. According to the palace, this is the approach the DPWH sees as best suited to the needs and geography of the country. This comes amid the absence of a flood control master plan, which the administration said was not turned over by the previous administration.
Ngayon, ang pinapairal po ng DPWH, inaaral muna ang, kumbaga, aayusin po ang flood control per major river basin plan. At yun ang nakikita nila sa ngayon na tugma sa pinakalokasyon ng ating bansa.
Nevertheless, the government is not setting aside the possibility of having a master plan. DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon earlier said the agency is targeting to complete the flood control master plan before the end of the year.
Hindi po sinasara ng administrasyon ang patungkol sa master plan. Pero still dapat lahat itong aralin kung ano ang mas makakabuti sa ating bansa, kung paano mas matutugunan ang problema sa pagbaha. Lalo-lalo na kung talagang napakalakas ng buhos ng ulan. So, lahat ng plano na pwedeng gamitin para matugunan ang problema sa pagbaha, ay pwede namang gamitin sabay-sabay. Gawing sabay-sabay nang hindi naman magkakaroon ng problema.
In a related development, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has ordered the release of 1 billion pesos to the UP system to strengthen Project NOAA and support the use of AI, real-time hazard monitoring, and predictive flood forecasting. This is intended to help communities on early identification of the risks of flooding and other disasters.
Sa naturang pondo, 935 million pesos ang nakalaan para sa research services at 65 million pesos naman para sa pamahalaan o sa pamamahala at pangangasiwa ng proyekto. Gagamitin din ang pondo sa pagbili ng mga kinakailangang kagamitan, teknolohiya at pagkuha ng mga eksperto.
Through AI-enhanced modeling, LiDAR mapping, and data analytics, Project NOAA will provide a real-time information and forecasts on possible flooding and other disasters. Kenneth Pasyente for the Nation.